Now, India's Union Minister for Youth Affairs and Sports, Dr. Mansukh Mandavia, on Tuesday emphasized the pivotal role of youth in realizing the vision of a developed India during an engaging event with the students at Viksit Bharat Ambassador Yuva Connect program in New Delhi. DD India's Abhishek Prasad with more.
India's Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports on Tuesday organized the Delhi chapter of Viksit Bharat Ambassador Yuva Connect program at Delhi University's Kamala Nehru College. The program aims to mobilize youth to contribute actively towards achieving the vision of a developed India by 2047. Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Dr. Mansukh Mandavia engaged with the students and emphasized the pivotal role of youth in driving the country's progress and development.
देश आगे बढ़ रहा है, नया भारत का निर्माण हो रहा है। ये नया भारत, भविष्य का भारत, उसके लिए यूथ के द्वारा हमें कई इनिशिएटिव लेना है। दोस्तों, मैं कई समय से प्रयास कर रहा हूं। देश को बदलना है तो यूथ को बदलना होगा, यूथ को विजन देना होगा, यूथ को एम्बिशियस बनाना होगा, यूथ में कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड करना होगा।
Dr. Mandavia also highlighted Prime Minister Narendra Modi's goal for India to become a developed nation by its 100th year of independence in 2047.
विकसित भारत बनाने के लिए मोदी जी ने, जब हम अमृत महोत्सव वर्ष मना रहे थे, इस वर्ष के 15 अगस्त यानी कि इंडिपेंडेंस डे के अवसर पर रेड फोर्ट से कहा कि हमें आज आजादी का 75 इयर्स मना रहे हैं, लेकिन जब हम देश की आजादी का शताब्दी वर्ष मनाए यानी कि 2047, तब हमें विकसित भारत बनना है, डेवलप्ड कंट्री बनना है।
The program specifically targets young Indians to mobilize their energy and potential towards nation building.
Particularly this step युवा पे जो focused है, that way the all efforts are directed towards युवा. So by 2047 जो हमारा youth है, we will be at our middle age and we will be at our peak productivity. So it's a great initiative. We've also learned about all these initiatives by government in our back classes and stuff. So it's very informative. अभी वाले session में भी we got to know about My Bharat.
The Viksit Bharat Ambassador Yuva Connect program is a pioneering initiative by the Indian government which is designed to empower young Indians to become catalysts for change. The Indian government led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi is continuously working towards achieving the goal of a developed India by 2047. The government is continuously encouraging youth to participate in various developmental activities and take leadership roles in future. With cameraman Rahul Chopra, this is Abhishek Prasad for DD India.